In the event that you're searching for step-in cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of step-in GMT will go from now on, we will dissect the previous costs of step-in GMT and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of step-in is $725 and GMT is at present positioned #127 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of step-in is 1,367,824,719 with a market cap of $372,744.90. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.5% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. step-in is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The GMT is down to nearly 7.12% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. step-in Benefit Number Cruncher is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the exhibition of your GMT property by working out expected benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Basically, enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value charge, and our GMT adding machine will wrap up. We anticipate future step-in cost expectations and gauge by applying profound man-made brainpower help specialized examination on the past value information of step-in. We give our all-together greatest authentic information for the GMT coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, step-in market cap, step-in volume, and barely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Step-in value expectation outline. The cost of 1 GMT would reach as high as 0.509 to 39 by 2025. In a bullish situation, step-in could outperform the $291.49 mark for 2050, exhibiting possible vertical energy. Step-in GMT is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.96 constantly 2030. Constant information shows step-in is exchanging at $0.2725. The negative cost expectation for step-in GMT in 2040 is $154.25, with a likely high of $190.94. Step-in value expectation 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2024 the cost of step-in is anticipated to reach at least degree of $409. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $4,011 with the typical exchanging cost of $518. Step-in value forecast 2025. The cost of step-in is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $571 in 2025. The step-in cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $509.39 with the typical exchanging cost of $512 all through 2025. GMT value gauge for 2026. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of step-in is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0.7438. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.8823 with the typical worth of $0.1746. Step-in GMT value expectation 2027. Step-in cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $107 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.28 with the typical estimate cost of $110. Step-in value expectation 2028. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of step-in is anticipated to reach at least degree of $157. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.80 with the typical exchanging cost of $161. Step-in value expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2029 the cost of step-in is gauged to be at around a base worth of $29. The step-in value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.70 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.37 in USD. stepn GMT Value Expectation 2030. The cost of one stepn is supposed to reach at any rate level of $3.35 in 2030. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $3.96 with the typical cost of $3.44 all through 2030. stepn Value Estimate 2031. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $4.91 in 2031. The stepn cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $5.91 with the typical cost of $5.05 all through 2031. stepn GMT Value Expectation 2032. stepn cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $7.01 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $8.35 with the typical estimate cost of $7.16. stepn Value Forecast 2033. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at least worth of $9.89 in 2033. The stepn cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $12.23 with the typical exchanging cost of $10.25 all through 2033. stepn Value Conjecture 2040. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or enterprises can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our stepn cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $154.25 and can reach as high as $190.94 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $168.91. GMT Value Gauge for 2050. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the digital currency market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key procedures for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our GMT cost expectation, the year 2050 can end with a greatest cost of $291.49, while the base value worth of a stepn can be around $248.96 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $263.20 approximately. stepn Value Figure Facts. What amount will stepn be worth in 2030? As far as value, stepn has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels. It is gauged that GMT will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business investigators, stepn can raise a ruckus around town cost of $3.96 till 2030. What is the fate of stepn? The eventual fate of stepn is profoundly subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into GMT, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system. This sort of venture isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. Nonetheless, still a magnificent venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, GMT likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing biological system. What amount will stepn be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, stepn will have a base cost of $0.8